Your phone rings. The person on the other end starts speaking English. And within a few seconds, your mind goes blank. You are worried that they will speak too quickly. You are afraid that you will not hear them clearly. You know what you want to say, but the English words do not come out. If you have ever avoided an English phone call, this lesson is for you. Today, you will practice 10 important and useful sentences for English phone calls. These sentences will help you start a call, ask someone to speak more slowly, confirm information, ask if you can call back later, and request details by text message. Welcome to English 1314. This is day 9 of your English speaking journey. Before we begin, here is how to practice shadowing. First, listen to the full sentence. Then, repeat it after me. Copy the rhythm, the pauses, and the feeling of the sentence. You do not need to be perfect. Speak slowly and clearly. You will hear the full sentence one time. Then, you will hear the same sentence in natural chunks. Use the long pause to repeat the whole sentence out loud. Your goal is not to understand every word in the call. Your goal is to know what to say when a real English phone call happens. Now, we will practice 10 important sentences for English phone calls. Let us begin. Sentence number 1. Hi, may I speak to Alex, please? Hi. May I speak to Alex, please? Sentence number 2. This is Alex speaking. This is Alex speaking. Sentence number 3. Is now a good time to talk? Is now a good time to talk? Sentence number 4. Sorry, I did not catch that. Sorry, I did not catch that. Sentence number 5. Could you speak a little more slowly, please? Could you speak a little more slowly, please? Sentence number 6. The connection is not very good. The connection is not very good. Sentence number 7. Could you hold on for a moment, please? Could you hold on for a moment, please? Sentence number 8. Let me make sure I got that right. Let me make sure I got that right. Sentence number 9. I cannot talk right now. Can I call you back later? I cannot talk right now. Can I call you back later? Sentence number 10. Can you text me the details? Can you text me the details? Very good. You just practiced 10 important sentences for English phone calls. Now, we will use these sentences in a real phone call. In the first conversation, I will be the delivery driver. You will be the customer. You are not at home, and you need to change the delivery time. Listen to my sentence first. Then, shadow only the sentences for your role. Some sentences in the conversation are extra sentences for the situation. You do not need to remember all of them. Focus on listening and answering naturally. Let us begin. Hello, I am your delivery driver. Hi, yes. Hi, yes. I will be there with your package in about 20 minutes. Sorry, I am not home right now. Sorry, I am not home right now. When will you be home? Could you deliver it after 6? Could you deliver it after 6? Let me check. Thank you. Thank you. I can be there between 6:30 and 7. Sorry, I did not catch that. Sorry. I did not catch that. I can be there between 6:30 and 7. Could you speak a little more slowly, please? Could you speak a little more slowly, please? Of course. I can be there between 6:30 and 7 tonight. Let me make sure I got that right. Let me make sure I got that right. So you will arrive between 6:30 and 7 tonight, right? So you will arrive between 6:30 and 7 tonight, right? Yes, that is correct. That time works for me. That time works for me. Great. I will deliver your package then. Can you text me the details? Can you text me the details? Of course, I will text you the details now. Thank you. See you later. Thank you. See you later. You are welcome. See you later. Very good. You just completed a real phone call with a delivery driver. You asked the driver to speak more slowly, confirmed the time, and requested the details by text message. You do not need to understand every word in the call. Listen for the important information and use simple sentences to continue the conversation. Now, we will move to the second situation. This time, I will be the receptionist at a hair salon. You will be the customer who wants to make a haircut appointment. Listen to my sentence first. Then, shadow only the sentences for your role. Let us begin. Hello, this is Bright Hair Salon. How can I help you? Hi, I would like to book a haircut. Hi, I would like to book a haircut. What day would you like to come in? Do you have any openings on Saturday afternoon? Do you have any openings on Saturday afternoon? We have openings at 2 and 4:30. Sorry, I did not catch that. Sorry, I did not catch that. We have openings at 2 and 4:30. Could you speak a little more slowly, please? Could you speak a little more slowly, please? Of course. We have openings at 2 and 4:30. Let me make sure I got that right. Let me make sure I got that right. The later time is 4:30, right? The later time is 4:30, right? Yes, that is correct. 4:30 works for me. 4:30 works for me. Would you like a wash with your haircut? Yes, I would like a wash and a haircut. Yes, I would like a wash and a haircut. May I have your name, please? My name is Lena Kim. My name is Lena Kim. Could you spell your first name, please? Lena is spelled L-E-N-A. Lena is spelled L-E-N-A. May I have your phone number? My phone number is 684-3207. My phone number is 684-3207. Let me confirm your appointment. You are booked for a wash and a haircut at 4:30 on Saturday afternoon. Yes, that is correct. Yes, that is correct. Is there anything else I can help you with? Can you text me the details? Can you text me the details? Of course, we will send you a confirmation message now. Thank you. See you later. Thank you. See you later. Thank you. See you later. Excellent. You just completed a full phone call to book an appointment in English. You asked about available times, requested slower speech, confirmed the information, and asked for a text message. This is how simple sentences can help you handle a real phone call. Today, you practiced 10 important sentences for English phone calls. You also used those sentences in 2 real conversations. One conversation was with a delivery driver. The other conversation was a call to book a hair appointment. Now, choose one of the 10 main sentences that you think you will use most often. Write the number of that sentence in the comments. If English phone calls still make you nervous, write this in the comments. I am still a little nervous, but I will try. You do not need to use long or complicated sentences. When you cannot hear clearly, ask the other person to speak more slowly. When you hear important information, confirm it one more time. If you cannot continue the call, ask to call back or request a text message. Stay calm and use simple sentences. You can handle the call. Thank you for practicing with English 1314. I will see you in the next shadowing lesson.